Hi guys, welcome to my new video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny square for beginners, and let's start now. First I'm going to use this 3.25 millimeter, and I'm going to use this 2-ply of yarn. So now I'm gonna start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you need to rotate your yarn and you have to make a slip knot. And after this we'll make a chain of 4. 1 2 3 4. And after this we will be making a slip stitch into the first chain, and after that there is a small hole right over here, this one, okay? And here into the circle, into this one, we have to make a double crochet. And first we will do chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we will make a 3 double crochet into this circle here. 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet. We have a 3 double crochet. And now we will do chain of 3, 1 2 3, and we will make a 3 double crochet again into the same circle. This is a 1, and then 2, and then 3 double crochet. After making a 3 double crochet, we will do this again. Chain 3, 1 2 3, and we will make a 3 double crochet into the same. 1 2 3, and we have to make a 4 corner, 1 corner, 2 corner, 3, and we have to make a 4 corner. From here we are going to do the same, but this time I'm just going to make a 2 double crochet, chain 3, and we will make a 2 double crochet, and this is going to be our last corner, the 4th corner. Here you can see 1 2 3 4, and we will make a okay, you don't have to make a slip stitch, you just you don't have to make a chain of 3, you just have to make a slip stitch in the 3rd stitches. 1 2 3 here. Slip stitch. So here you can see 1 corner, 2 3 and 4. Okay, now round 2. For round 2 we are going to make a chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we'll be making a 3 double crochet into the space. 1 double crochet, 2, and then 3. So here you can see it looks like this, and I will be making a chain of 1, and we have to work in this space, in another space, and we will make a space. So to make a space we have to make a 3 double crochet first into the space, 1 2 and then 3, and after this to make a corner we have to make a chain of 1 2 3, and we will make a same 3 double crochet into the same space to make a corner, 2 and then 3, chaining of 1. We have to make the same thing. To make a corner we need to make a 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same stitches. 1 2 3. and 3 more double crochet. Chaining of 1, and we will do the same thing. 1 double crochet, 2, and then 3. Chaining of 1, 2, 3. Two, and then 3. So here you can see we have already 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. And now we are going to make 4 corners. These are the space, corner, corner, space, corner, corner. Okay, to end our row, we are going to make a chaining of 1, and we will make 2 double crochet here into the space. 1, and then 2. And to end our patterns, we have to make a slip stitch into the third stitch. 1, 2, 3. Right over here, we are just going to make a slip stitch. So everyone, you can see here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 space. Sorry, corner, and these are the spaces. And we have to repeat the same thing until we reach the last part. Okay, round 3, we are going to make a round 3, and we have to make a slip stitch into this corner here. And to start round 3, we are going to make a chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we will be making a 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, and then 3. Chaining of 1. So here you can see there are corner 1. These are the corner 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these are the spaces, little spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to move to this space, we are going to make a chain 1, and we will be making a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and then 3. Chaining of 1, and we have to make a corner. This is a cluster or corner. To make a cluster, we need to make a 1, 2, 3. And chaining of 3. 1, 2, 3. And we have to make a 3 double crochet into the same stitches. 1, 2, 3. And to move to the next space, we are going to make a chain of 1 and 3 double crochet. Chaining of 1, and we have to make a clusters. To make a clusters, we have to make a 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet. Now you have to repeat the same thing until you reach the last part. Okay, the last part, we have to make 2 double crochet. 1, and then 2. And you have to make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3 here. So yeah, if you want to make a little bigger, you have to continue working on the same patterns. Like for the corners, you have to make a chain, double crochet 3 times, chain 3, double crochet 3 times. But into the spaces, you just have to make a 3 double crochet. Next round, this is round 4. 1 2 3 4, chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, double crochet 3 times. Chaining of 1, and into the spaces you have to make a 3 double crochet. Okay, you have to make a 3 double crochet, chain 1 first and 3 double crochet into the spaces. Okay, the last part of the chain, round 4, and we'll make a slip stitch 1 2 3 right over here into the 3rd chain, in chaining of 1, and you can cut the yarn. So here you can see there are the corners 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is like granny squares is always in the square shape, and we have 4 corners right over here, and these all are the spaces, little spaces. And everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this, don't forget to comment down and subscribe my channel. Happy crocheting!